one question. Why people have to sleep on the public bus going to work in the morning or coming from work in the evening? People always sleeping because a few morning well and a couple morning well when I'm going to work and I was on the train and on the public bus, I saw people every morning they taking the train and the bus, and I was saying to myself, every morning they be sleeping. And one morning I saw this lady, she paused her stop, and when she reached the final destination of the bus, she didn't know where she is. So I want to ask the question from you guys, why people have to sleep on the bus, on the train in London? I don't know why. Back in Jamaica, you'll never find people sleeping on the bus, but I want to know the reason why this happening in London. Why people have to sleep on the bus or on the train. I have a picture in the video. Can you look at that picture in the video? Why someone was sleeping, a good friend of mine was sleeping on the bus going to work. I want to say to you guys, can you write a simple description in the box what you think, in your opinion, why people sleep in London on the bus or train going to work? I don't know what it is. Is it stress? Is it money? It is so many things, you know what I mean? This is a very fast going place. So can you tell us why you think why people sleep on the bus or on the train going to work or coming from work? Just share it with us. That's others can learn. I want to learn. I want to know what's going on. I don't know. So can you just share it with us, guys? This is really interesting. I asked quite a few people and they're giving us different opinion and they keep saying many different things. We want to hear what the public think. We want to hear what you think. Probably you might in a different country, but what do you think? If you never been to London and you don't like to come to London to live, to see the experience, why people sleep on bus or train going to work. I don't know why. Can you share it with us? Thank you very much. Just write it in the description box. And look at this picture in the video. Also, visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk and also sign up for free. Leave your comments and make other lessons.